All right, so welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV, and it is the U20s time. Back again with some U20s updates. So, the local squad have been dropped. Well, not the local, well, the domestic players have been dropped for the U20 team. Now, I know that tentatively the squad should be submitted. I'm not sure if it's today, tomorrow, whatever. So there's a 16-man squad that is out. No, the reason why I am looking at this in a way that these players could be the players who will be representing us, who are the players from Jamaica who will be representing us. So it's 16 players from Jamaica, it seems to be the case. Now, I'm still waiting on official confirmation. Reason being, if they are going to keep a camp, I think and it's going to be encompass of only the local players, the domestic players, I should say. It would have been the total 24-man squad, but like we would have seen on a normal basis. But this time it is 16, and that opens a slot for 4-3-7. I know the old quote unquote quota system. I'm not sure if that's the case right now, but quite interesting to see. What I want you guys to do before we get into anything, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button so we can get into the details. If you're here for the first time, also, if you're here for the first time, people, I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and join the family. Join the MG Sports family, people. Would really appreciate that. So, big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's get to the names. As I said, I'm still yet to confirm, still waiting on official confirmation if these are the players that we will be using going forward from here. I know for a fact that the concacaf, you should submit your names to concacaf. I'm not sure the exact date, but they should submit my name. No, for me personally, I never knew that. I didn't know that the amount of players, the prerequisite in how much domestic players versus how much players we'll be having from overseas. I don't know the prerequisite, so I don't understand what's going on with that. No, I don't know how much players John Wall is willing to bring in and utilize based off what we saw in the friendly versus I think the friendly versus Trinidad. It was quite a lot actually. So I'm not sure if it's going with that same direction. That's the reason I said this is quite interesting to me. I want to see what's going to happen. I want to see the full squad. But for now, these are the names. These are the names that I have at hand. So I'm going to share the names with you guys. I'm not saying that it is a squad. I'm not saying that it is a full squad. I'm just saying these are the names that I have at hand at this present moment for the camp, for the U20 camp. Now, I'm pretty much disappointed because I thought that the camp shouldn't have break. I thought that we should have continued with the camp. I'm not sure what the situation is. And then the question is gonna pop up: preparation time. Did we get enough time to prepare? I don't know. Really don't know. I'm just kind of in the awe of what's going on. Hopefully General can get it right, because really and truly he has to get it right. Anyways, let's get to the meat of the matter. Let's get it done. So as you can see there, those are the names. This is a 16-man squad. As I said, the normal basis, what we've seen over the couple of days, a couple of times the squad have been assembled, it's tend to be like 24, 25, 23 in that region. This time around, it is 16. So I'm not sure if like there's an open slot for more players or what. I'm not sure. I won't give my opinion on that. I'm waiting on official confirmation on that. So I'm just going to give you guys the name I have at hand. So let's get going with the names. One, Adrian Reed, Cavaliers. Alexander Bignell, that team in something there. Lexios, I think it's Lexios. I don't know, can't pronounce it. It's a team in Portugal, in the fourth tier of Portugal. Is that a fourth or third tier? Anyways, Tui and Lynch, Mount Pleasant, FC, Rabina Garden. I'm seeing unattached, but it's actually Phoenix. Why did they put unattached? I don't know. Anyways, it should be Phoenix. Dustin Cohen, Veer United, Ronaldo Barrett, Cavaliers, Denzel McKenzie, Phoenix, Brian Burkitt, Dunby Holding, Michael Forbes, Cavaliers, Christopher Ainsworth, Cavaliers, Tyrese Gold, Dunby Holding, Akeem Bernard, Phoenix Academy, Ashton Gordon, Atlanta United, Joshua Grant, Red Bulls, Ayer Dixon, Woodbeck, Woodstock Academy and Javin Williams unattached. I don't think Javin Williams is playing a football. I'm playing for any club. I'm not sure. But Javin Williams would have, I think, he would have represented us at the U17 level. I think he represented us at the U17 level. He plays for Mannings. I think he's around 18 years old now. Did he represent? I don't remember. But he plays for Mannings schoolboy football team. Really good, really good centre back. Plays quite intelligently. But I think if I don't quote me on that, people, but let's forget that. Anyway, so these are the lists. These are the names of the players that we will see. So surprisingly, we have a few players who actually playing overseas, but it's quite thin. 16 players. That's really thin, man. I think that's thin. That's very thin. So we have 5 players on the bench, no reserve, no nothing. Can that work? Especially or the DSM close. I don't know. Anyways, this is just for the camp. So I won't get too much into the intricate details. I'm interested to see when the full squad come out. I'm really interested to see when the full squad come out. I know a lot of persons are going to come in the comment section and say, where's this player? Where's that player? Where's that player? Now, any player that you're going to ask about, be very mindful that passport is a big factor. Just be mindful of that. That passport is a huge factor. So don't just go in the comment section and call any random name because you know that they are eligible. Just please remember that passport is a big factor. Did JFF reach out to them? I don't know. I have no clue about that. But it's interesting. But there's a lot of young players in the diaspora that is available. Not just available, but as the ability and the criteria to represent us. So that one is an interesting topic. That's a topic to discuss by itself. I won't get into that now because we're dealing with this squad that we have at hand. But it's going to be interesting to see when the final. I'm hoping that this is not the final. It's going to be interesting to see when the final squad is being released. That is going to be a topic of our today, topic worthy of discussion. So looking out to see that one. Anyways, go in the comment section, tell us what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. We thoroughly appreciate people. This has definitely been a good one, and I'll see you guys again. I'm going to sum up this throughout the day, man. So big up on yourselves, people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Have a good day, people. God bless you. And I'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV. We're out. Boom.